It all started as a dream. With consistent efforts, determination, commitment, and a solid business plan, that dream eventually turned into a reality. In 5 years, we have created quality, innovative, and easy-to-use household products. Nworld products made our lives more exciting and fun. From the way Nworld products jumpstart our day, to the way we take care of ourselves. Nworld is part of our lifestyle. Our world-class e-commerce platform, Nworldwide, allows our customers and our independent retailers to get hold of Nworld products online and enjoy delivery right to their doorsteps. This platform provides a reliable source of livelihood and additional income to our entrepreneurs through our affiliate program. Not even the global pandemic has put a stop to the driving force of Nworld and our entrepreneurs. In 5 years, we have developed an inspiring community of committed, passionate, and long-term success-focused entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship knows no boundary. What used to be just an MLM program has now become the new normal way of doing business. Nworld indeed has only begun. As if the Philippine market is not enough, Nworld has expanded its reach to the world through its subsidiaries in strategic cities. Dubai, UAE for the Middle East, Nigeria for Africa, and Italy for Europe. Nworld has opened more doors of opportunities for dreamers and believers to achieve their dreams through the modern, dynamic, and sustainable Nworld X and Nworld XX program. The Pro Retailer and Pro Customer MLM platforms of Nworld are beginner-friendly and easy to understand and do business opportunities, making your retail and distribution business startup more fun, simple, and profitable to operate. To better serve our entrepreneurs, your sales bonus payout may now be availed at your convenience without going to our branch or our hub, nor going to the bank itself. All you have to do is download our new payout solutions. Say hello to Nworld Hello Money, powered by AUB. Transcending into a better company with more quality household products, our goal of Nworld product in every home and sustainable MLM business for entrepreneurs will be made possible by our new business plan. Make the common household products available, affordable, and inclusive in Nworld's programs. Aiming to touch more lives and achieve greater heights in more parts of the world, Nworld USA will cater to our entrepreneurs and customers' needs across the North American region. Today, we celebrate our 5-year milestone, and we would not make it this far without you. We are grateful for your support and loyalty. It is not the defeats nor the obstacles that we have faced that have put us down. It is our unity to rise up together, fight again, and move forward as we forge forward to 5 years and beyond. We are thrilled to be part of more years of exciting journey, infinite opportunities, and inspiring success with you. A toast to us, to our future, to 5 years and beyond. We only just begun. The best is yet to come. This is your President, Julius Alan Nolasco, and this is Nworld, forging forward.